Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado work truck. Now onto the interior of the Silverado. On our door panel we have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, and below we have our speaker and storage. Left of the steering wheel we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive and lighting controls, and below that is our electric park brake. Our gauge cluster with digital speedometer, steering wheel with cruise control off to the left. Then we have our infotainment screen, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Below that is our radio controls, climate controls, vehicle controls, and charging outlet. And there's our trailer brake. We have two cup holders, padded leather center console lid with phone holder, and this folds up to become a third seat in the front as well. Front seats are featured in dark gray fabric with a textured pattern in the lower portion. And above the rear view mirror we have OnStar controls and reading lights. Back onto the exterior we can see our Silverado in chrome, alloy rims with Chevrolet bow tie center caps, black rear caps and door handles, long truck bed, 4x4 badging, then a black bumper with bumper steps and hitch. This vehicle has four-wheel drive and a V8 engine. We also have our Chevrolet recessed into the tailgate and full-line truck bed with Chevrolet bow tie at the front. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado work truck. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.